Hi there guys, super excited to bring you the first ride review of the BSA Scrambler 650. Yes, this is a 650cc single cylinder engine based on the Gold Star, and it's been in the making for quite a long time, and finally it is here in the production form. So let's not waste any more time. I feel this is a motorcycle that needs to be celebrated by all the true biking enthusiasts because first of all, the legacy of BSA established since 1903, you can see here, which means it's been over 100 years of legacy. And the number 65 here signifies the 650cc engine that powers the motorcycle. So short form of 650 is 65, and this is the engine. Look at the lighting. I believe these are LED lights, but the blinkers are not LED. These are clear lens indicators, I believe. Offset speedo console. You have these telescopic forks up front, or maybe 41 telescopic forks, and suspension travel is not too much. I was hoping for better suspension travel because it's a scrambler, at least 150 or 180 but this one is 138 front and 127 at the back. It's a twin shock absorber setup at the back. Again, Brembo disc, so equipment is top notch. 320 disc rotor from Brembo up front, dual channel ABS. The tires are Seat Cross Rads. These are wireless and tubeless tires. You also get a front beak highlighting the scrambler character, but unfortunately suspension travel is not adequate enough. So you can see the yellow color looks absolutely stunning. You have part chrome here as well, highlight the premium factor, and the pricing is something that will surprise you. So as I told you, 652cc single, 45 bhp, 55 newton meters torque. This is a liquid cooled engine, and look at the massive radiator right over there. And you also have a bash plate, very good bash plate. So that's pretty much it. You also have the typical cluster like that of Java SD motorcycles. Have a city mode or something like that. Type C charging as well as Type A charging. That's a really good thing. And high beam flasher, engine kill switch, hazard light switch. Also this offset tank lid with the gun logo and 1903 established logo. Ribbed pattern seat, one of the most beautiful seats. And again, the tail lamp cluster is neatly rounded off with a LED unit. So undeniably, this is one of the most beautiful looking motorcycles in its class. And price, I will mention it on the screen. It's not over the top pricing, it's somewhere around 3 lakhs. So I'll mention it on the screen.